Welcome back to Dan Cooking. Today we are making macaroni and cheese. The first thing you'll need is 450 grams of pasta. I use shell pasta, but you can use macaroni if you'd like. Next you'll need 250 grams of shredded cheese and 50 grams of Parmesan cheese. You can use any kind of cheese you like. In this recipe I used white cheddar, but you can use yellow cheddar if you'd like also. Next we have 280 milliliters of milk, or 2 cups. Next we have 150 grams of bacon. The bacon is optional. If you don't want to use bacon, you don't have to. 50 grams of flour, 50 grams of butter, 1 teaspoon of salt, pepper, and mustard, and about 10 grams of breadcrumbs. This is also optional. If you don't want to use it, you don't have to. Next, we're gonna cook our pasta. So you boil your water, add your pasta, and cook for however long it needs. These shells are fresh pasta, so they'll only take about 4 minutes. After we boil them, we'll drain the water and set the pasta aside and make our cheese sauce. For our cheese sauce, we're gonna start by melting the butter on low heat. Once that's melted, we'll add our flour, salt, pepper, and mustard, and we'll mix this until all the flour has been broken up and the sauce gets thicker and it starts to bubble. Once this is thickened, we'll remove it from the heat, stir in our milk, return it back to medium heat and bring it to a boil for 1 minute, stirring the whole time until the sauce is thickened. After the sauce is thickened, we will add our cheddar cheese and mix it, and then set this aside to mix with the pasta. Now that we mixed our pasta with the cheese, from here it's ready to eat. You can eat it like this, but I will add bacon, mix it one more time, and then we're going to bake this in the oven next. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees or 180 degrees Celsius. We will add our pasta into the dish, top it with the Parmesan cheese and the breadcrumbs, and then we're going to bake it for about 25 minutes. And this is how you make baked macaroni and cheese. Thank you for watching. See you next time.